part 2 of the Nismo body kit install on the 370Z. I am really excited. The fiberglass is already dry. I'm gonna go ahead and start trimming the excess fiberglass on the side skirts today. Apply some body filler. Hopefully I can start getting these parts ready for paint. Maybe throw some primer on them. It's looking really good. I can't wait to see the finished product on the 370Z already. It's gonna look awesome. The Nismo DRLs from Evo R are on the way right now. I'm really excited to see what they look like. I can't wait to put them on these aftermarket parts and get a feel for how they fit. I'm probably gonna have to do some modifications in order to be able to make them fit, but that's expected. They're aftermarket parts and they're never gonna fit right. Okay, so this is the end result after hours of sanding these parts, applying body filler, and lots of sanding. They are now ready for primer. That's going to be the next step. We're going to do that off camera. Okay guys, the side skirts are now primed. We're going to have another video showing how to prime these parts. We're going to do that with the bumper. In this case, we primed this side skirts off camera. They look really good, almost no imperfections. Now we have to sand the primer and maybe apply some body filler. Alright guys, this is the final product right here. They are primed, they are sanded, and they are almost ready for paint. They look awesome. I am really happy with how this turned out. Next we're gonna go ahead and start doing, Nala is inspecting the product. How you doing, girl? And the next episode we're gonna go ahead and repeat the process with the bumper. We're gonna start adding the mounting points with fiberglass to the bumper. that's gonna be all for now. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next episode.